Hey gamers, welcome back to JD's Arcade. Alright, it's day 3 of DOS week, and today we're going to take a look at Duke Nukem Shrapnel City. The story is pretty simple, but very sci-fi B-movie-ish. An evil mad scientist called Dr. Proton creates an army of robots to conquer the world, and only one man can stop him. Duke Nukem. And don't be fooled by the title screen. You see, when Apogee created this game, they failed to notice that there was already another character called Duke Nukem from the Captain Planet cartoon. So they changed the title to Duke Nukem to avoid legal problems. However, Apogee later found out that the name Duke Nukem was never registered, so they changed it back in the sequel. However, it's still possible to find early versions of the game with the original Duke Nukem title. The gameplay is actually pretty simple. You take control of Duke through 10 levels per episode and face Dr. Proton at the end of the last level of each episode. You need to reach the end of each level and go through a door that takes you to the next level, destroying several enemies and avoiding traps, initially with just your futuristic gun. You can collect all sorts of items along the way, like extra guns to upgrade your gun, and other helpful items like grappling claws or jumping boots. You can also get items just to gain some points and healing items. The first episode of the series is extremely easy and great for beginners. What are your memories of this Apogee classic? Share them in the comments. Thanks for watching.